सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. These 5 techniques are related to sound. Small difference, but great. I can say, when you look superficially, small difference. But when you start working on it, you will realize the greatness of every technique, the uniqueness of every technique. This is like a manual for intelligence. We can say this book is owner's manual for intelligence. If you have it, better to read this book once and know how to use it. Know how to use it. This book is like a owner's manual for intelligence. Mahadeva is giving a technique for all human beings. Even if you are music oriented towards your ears, even for you he is not just giving one technique, he is giving you 5 different techniques. You may ask, how to find out? See, the rough idea, whether you are music oriented or visualization oriented or feeling, touch oriented or smell oriented, you can very clearly understand just by seeing your lifestyle. If you just sit with yourself and think, you will understand, you will know. If you understand major portion of your energy, major percentage of your energy is tuned to one sense, then take up those few techniques. Just play with them for 3-4 days. Suddenly you will see one technique clicks. That satori happens. Suddenly you feel, this is for me. Just that clicking. People ask me, Swamiji, how will I know you are my master? How to find out my master? I tell them, go to different masters, whoever you think. Even if you doubt somebody is enlightened, go and sit at their feet. Just try. Decide, 1 year I will spend just in seeking. Nothing wrong. Make it like a project, 1 year. Whoever you doubt as enlightened, try to sit at their feet. With somebody, suddenly that click will happen. That awakening of the Kundalini. Or feeling connected. You know, now he is your master. There won't be any doubt. There won't be any doubt. As long as you have doubt, he is not your master. As long as you have doubt, he is not your master. I always tell people, as long as you have doubt, relax. I am not your master. Continue seeking. Wait for click, that satori to happen, or continue seeking. Forget about me. For no reason, your seeking itself should be dropped. Do not drop your seeking. That is such a great treasure, such a great blessing happens to human being. Seeking means what? Feeling uncomfortable just being inside your skin. Feeling suffocated just with the small boundary. Feeling, oh God, how long I will be here? Just sitting. Feeling bored, tired of just playing with these 5 senses. How many times you can have joy by rubbing that object to the pleasure points. See, you have 5 pleasure points. When the objects rub the points, the pleasure points, like tip of the eyes, where the scenes are felt, experienced. The tip of the nose, where the smell is experienced. The edge of the ears, where the music is experienced. the edge of the reproduction organ where the touch is experienced, the tip of the tongue where the taste is experienced. These are the 5 tips, 5 points you experience pleasure. When you are tired of using these 5 points, when you feel enough, when you feel suffocated, just with these 5 points, when you want to expand, the feeling to expand is what I call seeking. When you are tired of these 5 points, the seeking starts. Please do not miss seeking. Even if you have not found your master in me, perfectly all right. But do not drop seeking. Continue the seeking. Decide. Whoever you doubt, just go and sit with them. Just few days, try. Suddenly something will click. I tell you, 5-6 masters if you try, that is enough. That will be maximum. That will be more than sufficient. You are not so dull that you can't have connection just with 5-6. You are not so dull. Even if you think you are so dull, you are not so dull. You are not so ignorant as you think. Even in ignorance, you are not so perfect. Relax. Because we think, no, this all may work for others, but I know this can't happen to me. No. Even you can feel connected. At one point, all you need to do is just make it like a project. 1 year, I'll seek. But when the click, when the satui happens, which is beyond your logic, then decide, now drop everything. Now, once that click happens, once that feeling connected happens, now I am going to work with him. Over. Now drop everything else and decide strongly to work with him. Go all out. We call in Sanskrit 2 words, Viveka, Vairagya. Viveka means analyzing, going around and seeking, Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka, which is right or wrong. Seeking, trying to work. Will I be able to feel connected with this guy? Will I be able to feel connected with this master? Just go around. This is called Viveka, analyzing. Vairagya, once you feel connected, drop everything else. Drop everything else and decide strongly to work. Ramakrishna says beautifully, till the food is served, there will be sound in the party. Once the food is served, the sound will slowly reduce. Once the people start eating, there won't be any other sound except plop, 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 that eating sound. Same way in the seeking time, there will be little sound, noise in you, little disturbance going around. But when you see the right person, the sound will come down. When the click happens, over. After that, only that sound click, nothing else. Nothing else will be there. You will completely settle down. Same way, play with these techniques. Just play with these few techniques. Nothing wrong. And these techniques are foolproof, no side effect, time tested. So you can play with them freely. And one more thing, these techniques are such, even if you make 1 or 2 small mistakes, you won't have side effects. You won't have side effects. If you do it properly, you will have that positive effect. If you do the little mistake, there won't be any effect, that's all. But there won't be negative effect or side effects. That is the beauty of these techniques. Time tested, foolproof, powerful techniques. All you need to do, just play with the techniques. Don't even be too serious. Don't be too serious. Do it in a relaxed way on your easy chair. When you are sitting in your home, when you are sitting in your office, but not when you are driving. when you are sitting in your office, when you are sitting in your home. Just play with these techniques. Suddenly you will see something opens up. If you play with 2-3 techniques, something will click. Something will catch. I always tell people, just 3-4 days. If it does not click, drop. Next. Shiva has given 112 meditation techniques. I have spoken, I think we are on the 40th sloka. 40. Just try one by one. Try for a few days. Suddenly something will click. That is the technique for you. And you will see you are able to explore and experience the inner space through the techniques, through the technique.